Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Shein, and I'm looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. As y'all can see, I'm glowing. Okay, this wig is making me look like a beautiful black girl, like a Betty. Okay, like I'm looking so hot. Like guys, look at the quality of the curls. Look at the way I'm looking. Like guys, look at the lace situation. Like I did this myself. Okay, this is Shein, you are doing what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, like I am obsessed with the volume, the length. It is nice and long, and it is very affordable as well. Please do check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Shein. So without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video.
Confidence. When I got a little roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sending again, all over again. Don't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
How I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Shein. I'm really impressed with the quality and the volume of this wig, guys. I'm going to be turning heads. Okay, until next time, bye guys.